Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. I am Anan Alam, and today I am going to describe 5 secrets of success. After watching this short video, you will be able to think and also agree with me that I am saying right. That no doubt these 5 secrets are the most important for getting a successful life. Without any wasting time, I'm going to start it. Let's talk about these secrets. You can say that this is the nectar of my whole study. The first thing is your health. If you are a healthy man, if you are a healthy man, it means you are a lucky man. Your health is so important in your life, but it's a fundamental truth that everything which we get without any pay, we don't give any importance to that thing. You can also watch it. You can also uh, look at yourself that we have health which is blessed by God without paying anything. Our health is important, but we don't give any importance to our health because it's free and we get it free. That's the reason we are going to failure. We don't give any importance to our health. So if you want to get successful life, you will have to give some importance to your health. You have two eyes. Let's give me an example. You have two eyes, but your eyesight is not good. What is this life? What is this life? You have 2 ears, and your sense of hearing is not good at the age of 16 or 20. What is this life? You have destroyed yourself. This is an awful thing. Not for just for me, because I am a man, but also for Allah Almighty, because He has created you in a whole sense. He says that لَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ فِي أَحْسَنِ تَقْوِيمٍ, which means He created the man in proper sense, in proper way, and we are destroying it. We are spoiling ourselves. We think that there is no any importance of health in our lives. That is a major problem. So the first thing is your health. Give some importance to your health if you want to be a successful man. If you have 2 ears but your sense of hearing is not good, it means you are not a lucky man. If you have two eyes and your eyesight is good, it means you are a lucky man. You can see without any problem, without any trouble, it means you are a lucky man. You can see well, you can speak well, you can taste well, you can hear well, it means you are a good man, you are a healthy man, you are a lucky man. Save your life, save your health. I see in my near that a lot of students, a lot of young people are involving in bad activities like drugs, injection, and medicine. They are using drugs and spoiling themselves. What is this? It's an awful thing. So please, dear friend, save yourself, save your health. It's the first thing. The second thing is your time. If you destroy your time, believe me, time will also destroy you. If you destroy your time, time will also destroy you. But if you give some importance to your time, inshallah, time will also give you some importance. make your plan of whole day. You must be a master in your time management. Don't spoil your time, don't waste it. It's the second blessing Allah Almighty. So my dear friends, don't waste it. It's the second thing. The third is your determination. Your determination. Our Prime Minister Imran Khan says that determination is more important than your talent. If you have some talent, you can draw well, you can speak well, it's your talent. You can sing well, it's your talent. But come to the statement. Khan says that your determination is more important than your talent. If you are a determined person, you can achieve anything. If you have a determination that you can break the mountain, you can do it. But if you don't have any determination, without determination you are living your life. It's a dull life. It's a dull life. Don't waste it. The third thing is determination. If you follow these instructions, first is health, give some importance to your health. The second is time, give some importance to your time. And the third is determination. Be a determined person. If you don't have any determination in your life at this moment, it means you are living a dull life. Your life and an animal life is equal. There is no any difference, because the animal doesn't have the ability to determine something. It's you. So please try to find yourself and determine yourself and get your determination's power. This is the third thing. The fourth thing is right direction. You have health, you have time, and you have determination. You want to achieve your destination. You have three things: health, time, and determination. But you don't have a right direction. It means you are living not a successful life. These things are important, no doubt. Health, time, determination are important. But you have not a right direction. There are two directions. One leads to right way, the other leads to a wrong way. If you walking on a wrong way, your direction is not good, how can you achieve your destination? Is there any possibility that you will go to your destination? Let me give you an example. You want to go Lahore. You want to go to Lahore, and you get a bus of Islamabad. Now tell me, how can you reach in Lahore on that time, in that time? How can? Is there any possibility? No. There is no even a single person, even a 1% possibility that you will achieve, you will reach on your destination. It's impossible. So it's more important that you have health, that you have time, and you have determination, but you don't have right direction. You will not be successful. You will have to health, time, and determination with also a right direction. After getting these 4 steps, you will achieve your destination. But the final and the fifth thing is, that is also very important. That is also very important. That is consistency. Consistency in only one job. Consistency in only one job. If you don't if you don't show any consistency in only one job, really, I'm telling you that you will not be a successful man. You will not be a successful man. Let me explain this statement that what is the only job. What is consistency in an only one job? It means that we are working a lot of multiple works in our lives. No, this is not a good way. This is not a right way. This is not your right choice. You will have to choose one thing. Do one thing and do it in a best way. Okay, let me give you an example. If you are a student and you have at least 4 to 5 books for preparing, then you are thinking that what do I do at this moment, what do I do, I think so biology is good, I need to study it. But the next moment of time you think no, physics is more important than the biology, so I study the physics. But the next moment of time you decided that no, mathematics is more important than both of these books, and you in this period of time you are wasting your time. In this regard, you must do that, get a book and tick it, open it and get study. Get a book, open the book and get study, without thinking anything that I have physics, I have Urdu, English, any book. Just forget all the books. Do one job in a best way. If you follow these 5 steps, if you follow these 5 steps which are showing on your screen, these 5 steps, if you follow these 5 steps, the first one is health, the second is time, and the third is determination, and the fourth is right direction, and the fifth is consistency in only one job. Inshallah, you will be also a successful man in this short life. The last thing is remained, and that is, if you like this video and you think that I have delivered my message to all of you, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and also comment something in a positive way. Appreciate me if you like this video. Otherwise you can also dislike. Thank you. Inshallah I will meet you in another video. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.